Guys, welcome to another new video, and today's topic is going to be how to create a one-win account. If you also want to create an account in the one-win application and earn good money from here, then watch this video from start to end. In this video, I am going to guide you completely, because nowadays many people don't know the correct way to create an account in the one-win application. So in this video, I will tell you the correct way step by step. Don't skip this video because I am also going to give you a full review. First of all, you need to go to Google. After going to Google, search for One-Win APK. The first website that appears, open it. Inside the website, you will find two options. One will be Download One-Win APK for Android, and below that will be Download One-Win iOS for iPhone. Select according to your device and download the application. After that, such an interface will appear in front of you. Now what you have to do is click on the Sign Up button at the top. After clicking, an interface will appear. First, select your country, then select your currency. After that, enter your mobile number, your email, and then set a strong password. Take a screenshot of the password to keep it safe. Because if you don't take a screenshot of your password, you may face issues while logging in later. Now, click on Add Promo Code and enter OGGY, which will be shown on the screen. On the right side, apply the promo code. After applying, click on the registration button. Then a CAPTCHA will appear. Complete the CAPTCHA and your account will be created. An interface will open in front of you. Now at the top, you will find the deposit button. Click on it. After clicking, you will see many payment methods like Phone, P, and PayTM. The higher the amount you deposit, the bigger bonus you will receive. Let me tell you clearly, if you deposit a high amount, you will get a high bonus. Now what you have to do is simple. You will get a scanner option. Inside the Phone P line, you will see the scanner. Use that scanner to scan the QR code. The scanner will appear like this. Because of the slow network, it may load late, but it will appear. From there, make the payment. Once the payment is successful, enter the 12-digit transaction number and click on Submit. The payment will go into processing and may take 10 to 15 minutes. After that, the money will appear in your account. There will be no issue or problem.